Okay, let me show you how you can fix this error whenever the updates are not receiving by the client devices from the WSUS. So to fix this issue, you have to go to the client web services folder under program files, update services, web services, and we need to edit one web.config file. You just need to click on edit. It's open it in Notepad and look for a specific line which is add key maximum install equal to 400, something like that. Let me show it to you. Yeah, this is the command. Add max install prerequisites. This value of 400 we need to change it to 800, and then we need to save the file in the same location. So this is nothing but this issue occurs when the numbers of updates which are going to synchronize exceeds the maximum number of installed prerequisites that WSUS client can pass to get the update. So once this is changed to 800, we just need to save the file. That's it. If you are having an issue with the saving the file, you can go to the security tab and make sure that your account has sufficient permissions, because the files in the C drive, so it is difficult to edit. Also, you can one of the other workaround is copy to a desktop, edit it on the desktop, and then copy it back to the same location. This is how we can update this web.config files. And once it is updated to 800, you just need to open command prompt and as an administrator and need to type IIS reset to reset the IIS. You can see it will stop and start the service. That's it. And within the next few hours the machines will start receiving the updates from the WSUS. This is how we can fix this issue, which is error 8024407. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to my channel.